just to take a moment today and show you some tips and tricks if your copier is in a jam state. So first of all, we will go to the automatic document feeder. Usually there's a latch on the top that will allow you to open up the lid. You will see that on the control panel, it's indicating to you what door that you have opened, but there is a jam removal knob, and it's typically colored green. So it allows you to rotate that jam removal knob and to extract that page out of the document feeder. So there is another tip that I'd like to share with you, and that's if the machine, if it's pulling paper out of one of the cassettes and it's in jam state. So right now I'd like to mimic a jam, and we're going to go ahead and set that up for you here. So right now, the control panel wants you to play a little video. It's going to step you through. So we'll go ahead and play that. It's going to step you through on what you need to do to remove that jam. And then we're going to hit play again, and it's just stepping you through to the next step. Where you should be looking. And then it's finished. But one point that I'd like to indicate is once we open up the right door, we see that there's a piece of paper that is coming out of tray 1. So if you take that piece of paper, it has a little pressure to it. We wouldn't suggest that you try to rip that out of the area that's coming out of. What I do suggest is coming over and slightly opening up tray 1 or whatever source that paper's coming from, and then come back, and now you can loosely remove your jam from the right side. Also, with the door open, you may have, there's another green sticker here, there is another door to open up. So within here, that's your two-sided path. So if you're doing two-sided copying or printing, that could also be indicated on the control panel, an area that you may need to remove your jam. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the right door, close the cassette, and it'll continue with your job, and we'll let that feed. And your copy job is complete.